my lovelies and welcome to my channel. This is Liane from Resin Shine Creations. I hope you are all doing well. As you can see in front of me there are quite a few cups, and I have prepared actually 5 cups because today it's going to be a little experiment and I will use quite a few colors. So first things first, I'm going to divide my resin. I am going to be making 4 coasters and I will be doing a puddle technique. This technique used to be quite famous a couple years ago, and it seems like everybody were doing this. And I got inspired from another YouTube artist, Petra Youngblood. Sorry if I pronounced the surname wrong, but she is from Netherlands and she used to be my kind of teacher and the person that I was watching in the beginning that I start my resin journey. And I love the coasters that she was creating using puddle technique. So here I have my lovely floating gold, and I put resin least of all because I think this floating gold resin is going to be just a little accent for the coasters. And then I have a white pigment, blue, green and kind of turquoise that it's called aquamarine from Resin 8. So now you gonna watch me to mix my all colors, and I hope it's not boring for you. But I think it's important for people who just start out in resin to see actually how we artists mix the colors and how much we use. And yeah, if you don't wanna see this part, just fast forward and go to the part when I'm gonna start my pouring. It is minute 4:35. But if you are watching this part, then I will take my chance to ask you kindly to click a like if you are enjoying this video, or if you like videos about resin, then subscribe. I do upload twice a week, so there is always something new to see. Thank you. So I am up to my last color, and this is gorgeous mica powder from Miss Calaberry. I absolutely love it. It's so intense and mixes very well in the resin. Right. All my colors have been mixed, and now we are gonna get to the exciting part. It is the pouring. So here are my coaster molds, and I'm going to start with the dark blue. And I'm gonna go around the edge. And as I mentioned before, it's been quite a long time since I've done this method. So Wish me good luck that I get a nice result, and yeah. So I'm going to put some music in background and let you enjoy my pouring, and I come back in a bit. Wow, the song finished, but I am still pouring. So as you can see, I am onto my dark green color, and I just pour in the center, and then we'll see how the colors gonna interact with each other, and what kind of pattern is going to make. And that is the fun of this technique, because you're gonna always get a surprise, because you can't predict what is going to happen. As we know, resin has a mind on its own. And gold again, because I still have some. So we try, as always, use all the resin, all the colors. Nothing goes to waste. But if you have some resin left over, and make sure that you have some little mold where you can pour the resin, and so it's not wasted. So now I pour some transparent, because I want to add in the middle some flakes, gold flakes, so I have some nice center. And I know the flakes are gonna sink, So I don't know which side is going to be the top side. So this we're gonna see at the end when we demold. And here already I can see that the blue is starting to move to the center. There is a movement and it's just the beginning. So after this I finish my pour, and now we're gonna look from top to see the movement. This was about 20-minute movement, and this is the next day and it's time to demold. And look at that, look at these blues, how they mix together. It looks so funky and I absolutely love it. But of course, I'm curious how it's going to be the other side. But look at that, it looks just like an eye. So I'm already happy with this, how it looks. And now we're going to demold. See the other side. Maybe it's gonna be more nice. Or maybe it will not. So here we go. And yeah, it's interesting, but I definitely prefer this side. Yes, it's an easy decision. And here looks like my white wasn't mixed properly and it's kind of sunk. And looking at these coasters, remember I had a dark green pigment and I can't see where it's gone. Kind of disintegrated in between colors. Very weird. Usually you can see or on top or on bottom, but you can see somewhere, but the dark green is gone. So I will finish them with gold edge. And here they are, ready. And I absolutely love this effect. It's so fun and quirky. So if you found this video useful and entertaining, please let me know by leaving a comment down below. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye!